You're all familiar with this. It's helped us countless times to store photos or last-minute PowerPoints. In other words, it stores data. But with the rise of the internet and cell phone cameras, data production has been growing exponentially, which means that not only are you running out of storage space on Google Photos, but so is the whole world. Which is why a new storage medium that can help us fix our storage problems is being developed, and it is straight out of sci-fi. DNA stores our genetic information, or data, so to speak, so why can't we use it to store digital information? Actually, it turns out we can. Before we go into how it works, let's understand why. DNA is denser, more stable, and more sustainable than other mediums, meaning we can store all this in here for about 1,000 years. DNA sounds perfect, but it has some unique drawbacks. Other storage mediums can replace information on accident, but since DNA is biological, it can mutate and not only delete, but also add and replace information. But don't worry, no animals are harmed. This is synthetic DNA. Okay, so how does it work? Your computer speaks binary language, ones and zeros, but DNA uses nitrogenous bases, A, C, G, and T, to store its information. So the first step is to translate binary to nitrogenous bases. Then we synthesize a strand of DNA with the information and error-correcting codes already coded in. After that, all you gotta do is store it. Once you're ready to read the information, there are multiple ways this can be done. But currently, PCR is the most commonly used. Yes, the same PCR used for COVID tests. What PCR does is create a copy of a specific sequence in the strand of DNA and amplifies it millions or even billions of times, allowing it to be readable. DNA beats all other storage mediums in almost every category, proving itself to be a promising solution for our storage problems. And although we're not quite there yet, hopefully in the near future we'll see DNA used to store all those cat memes on the internet.